welcome to this week's webisode of Straight Shootin' with Ed Victor, the big gun in voiceovers. Tools, techniques, opinions, and insight on making it in the voiceover business. Now here's the big gun himself, Ed Victor.
Listen up, all you future millionaires. The million dollar. That just never gets old, does it now? Hi, and welcome to another website. This week, I'm going to be discussing the Jackie Johnson's Being a Millionaire 101. Sucks, doesn't it? Yeah, this webisode. In this webisode, and that's why you need my class, Jackie Johnson's How to Build You. Fuck you. Can you see that? Okay, welcome back. All right, as you can see, well, that kind of not a good idea, huh? Anyway, woo. As you can see, I am in my hotel room. Hi, and welcome to this week's web. And the microphone, stereo microphone, goes right in there. It looks like little Mickey Mouse ears. Auditions, it's mind-numbing, okay? Mind-numbing. This is mind-numbing. I had this thing plugged in for 8 hours. It wouldn't work. That sucks. Too bad you guys aren't sponsoring me right now. Anyway, hint. It also, it's hard to get the card out. I can't do it. Ah, you see where I'm going with all this. With the advent of the yeah. Oh, that was fun. English is probably, this blows. There you go. 5.
Somebody else's home and put your feet up on the furniture and you wouldn't...
Sorry. Let's widen out, okay? Super.
Oh, shoot. I'm sorry.
Your cell phone. You got to ask me for it.
Yeah.
Let's do this again and cut. Now, here are some of my personal rules for some of those. Hi, and welcome to this week's webisode of Straight Shootin'. If the specs call for an 80-year-old Albanian with narcolepsy. Hi, it's me, Ed Victor, the big gun, and I need your help. This actually reminds me of Blair Witch Hunt. I'm going to record now. And nobody knows studio etiquette more than you because...
Having not had any in my early career, yeah.
That's right. Members, everything. More. It's just more ways. Hee hee. Oh, suck it. Oh, come on in, Randy.
Oh, hi. I was just standing out here waiting for you to promote me.
I'm gonna... Let's do it in here.
I'm so excited to be a part of it.
Thank you.
I can't wait to see it.
It took me 2 days to figure it out, so... Opa. That'd be getting an agent, Johnny. A little bit tighter. A little bit tighter. A little bit tighter to the microphone. The proper way to address your butler and/or maid. Oh, thanks, Johnny. A little something in your paycheck next week. Oh, fuck. That's good too. That's good too again, huh? Yeah. She looks very interested, doesn't she? Anyway, in this webisode, they don't want to pay the extra percent. All right. Obviously, you've got nothing to do. Well, that's straight shoot. Well, fuck me. And as a free gift, you'll get cool words to say now that I'm rich. My book. And as a bonus gift, and as a free gift, you'll get my book, Cool Words to Say Now That I'm Rich. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.